days have been. I'm truly happy to be on stage again, where my journey began. It has truly been unforgettable way filled with adventures, surprises, challenges, growth, tears, and smiles. Today, I am closing on the most beautiful chapter in the book of my life. Winning in this game 2022 was a dream come true. So many people have given me so much strength, inspiration, and keep up great answers. To my co-workers, friends, and Nakshis out there, my heartfelt thanks for your support and for the space to learn and grow. And for believing in my dreams and aspirations, all the people I've met along the way will stay with me forever. As I embark on the next part of my journey, to all management and organization of this event, I am very grateful for the success of this wonderful event. And last but not the least, I would like to take this